Question 12. Find the value of m and n for each of the following quadratic inequalities. Okay, so here this one looks like a reverse question. So they gave us the inequality, but it has two unknowns. And actually three lah, x also is an unknown. Okay, but they gave us the range. Okay, so let's see what we can do with this. So what we can do is first we draw the graph and we put our roots inside here. So it's between -3 and 4. Since it's between, that means we have to shade this area. If it's less than, more than, that means we will shade this area. Okay, between means must be less than 0 lah, must be here. Okay, so from here we put this in our bracket. We say less than 0 because we know it's below here. Okay, if this question will be more than 0. Okay, so how to put the roots into the bracket? This will be x plus 3 and x minus 4. So we expand this. X times x is x square. This one will become -4x plus 3x minus 12 less than 0. And then x square, this will be -4 plus 3 will be -x minus 12 less than 0. Okay, now we got our equation ready. We can compare with this. But here it's x square mx. The constant, the number here, they already put here. So we should do the same lah. X square minus x less than 12. So now we can compare. We can compare with what they give. They said plus mx is less than n, right? Therefore, our -1 is same as m. And 12 will be n. We compare lah, x square, x. So this must be -1. So we can write our answer. M is -1 and n is 12. Done. Let's look at B. Same thing. We draw our graph and then our roots will be -2 and 5. So this is less than, more than. Less than, more than means must shade up here. So this will be more than 0. Okay, this one is more than 0. If just now earlier one was less than 0 here, so we write less than 0 lah. Since this one is here and here, this is more than 0. Then we put this in our bracket. So this will be x plus 2, x minus 5. Same thing, we expand. X times x is x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 more than 0. So x square minus 3x minus 10 more than 0. Okay, then here we try to compare this with this. So here they say 2x square plus m more than nx. Alright, but our x square is only 1. Okay, so what we have to do is, okay, we do this at the side lah. 2x square plus m more than nx. So the whole equation, we have to divide it by 2. Then only we can compare with our equation. Because our equation, x square is 1. So here so we must make 1x square plus m over 2 more than n over 2x. Okay, everything we divided by 2. Then we rearrange it lah, make it easier. So minus n over 2x plus m over 2 more than 0. Okay. Why did we place this in the middle? Because this is x square, x number. Okay, now we can compare. So I write this one down here, x square minus n over 2x plus m over 2 more than 0. Therefore, x square is x square, x is x, so this one must be this. And this must be this. Okay. So you got not enough space. I'm gonna delete this first. I put this up here. This line, so you can go up here. Okay. So the next step what we do is we just have to write the comparison. So negative n over 2 is negative 3. Negative can cut. So n is 2 times 3, 6. And m over 2 is negative 10. So m is negative 20. Therefore, m is negative 20, n is 6. Okay. So this whole part, the dividing by 2 part is actually kind of k-but because they never allow us to straight away compare. Because here they gave us x square and here they gave us 2x square. So you have to divide the whole thing by 2. Then only we can compare the x square with the x square. And this with this and so on lah. Okay. That's it.